Hey y'all, Chad Curry here with CLC Landscaping. Wanted to show you what the difference between a correctly constructed wall or a correctly constructed wall and a incorrectly constructed wall looks like. This is a perfect example. I found this with the client. So here you got this here. Essentially, you can see the depression here. That's about a 2-inch depression. So apparently the contractor has had to fix this almost 3 times. So this is the difference when you have somebody that wants to, or that just doesn't know, again, they may meant good by it, but essentially you have what we call our compaction rate, which is essentially if I measure all this out and I say it needs 1 cubic yard of material, you need to add almost 80% to that of material with a compactor compacted correctly to get that down so that you don't see any of this in this drop of material. The other issue is you'll see here, you've got these cracks. What these are typically caused by is either basically it's hydraulic pressure. It's the moisture behind the wall. That's from somebody that doesn't have an erosion control barrier behind the wall, especially on a wall like this, which is essentially structural. What we'll do is we'll actually come in, we're going to build this wall again on a good solid base, not necessarily concrete, but it's going to be a good solid base that's compacted, so base material. Then we're going to actually have a fabric that lines behind the back of this wall, kind of loops back up and does like a U. That's filled with a clean material, so like a crushed aggregate, typically like a crushed limestone. What that does is now the backfill is pressing against that. Moisture can go down in there, hit your weep holes, which I also don't see any on here. And that would actually, keeps that pressure off that wall, so that wall can last so much longer. Also on this driveway, a wall that's built that way, we're actually going to do this industry standard as a driveway compaction. So we'll kind of beef this thing up so you could literally drive on this on our walls, but this one here, clearly you can't. So unfortunately, the client, we're having to take this out, this part here, and we're just gonna turn it into a mulch bed with some plants. So this is what not to do with the wall, and this is what you can not expect from CLC. Hope that helps for a tip of the day. Thanks again. Talk to y'all soon.